First of all, it's fantastic office space with some very creative and forward-thinking companies, but the most important thing is that we're linked to the university.
Anglia Ruskin was a perfect choice for us because there's a lot of young talent here who are raring to go, willing to get into technology space, and we have the right connections here as well. A lot of like-minded companies here, and we have a wonderful team at Arise who are helping us every step of the way.
I think what was most important for us as well was the support. So you get access to funding opportunities, key news and events, networking as well.
Afidi have had a couple of student interns from the university, which have been very successful. However, in the future, we've got quite a few projects that we are looking to work more closely with the university with, particularly from a development clinical efficacy point of view.
I'm here to help facilitate the right connections between businesses in Arise and Anglia Ruskin University. ARU is also one of the top 15% universities for graduate employment, so we're really looking to get our students employed as soon as they finish their courses. Exposing them to business is kind of essential to making that happen, and instilling that mindset of entrepreneurship and innovation is something that we really aim to do.
Being at Arise is really great. There are lots of very interesting companies here in the health, performance and well-being sectors. We can network with these other companies, get to know them and discuss how we can build our companies for a brighter future.
We decided to base our business in Arise Harlow because I'd been running it from home for a number of years as it was beginning to sort of grow and take off. We were outgrowing the home offices when I was looking for somewhere. It's got good travel links, good connections, so it's a really good location for actually to base your business, to be able to try and attract some talent to come to the company.
So I joined ARU Arise in Harlow primarily as a virtual, and then they allowed me and helped me to step up into a co-working shared office. So it's been absolutely amazing that I've been able to do that, and they've supported me all the way.
This is the perfect ecosystem for us. Arise has a lot of medtech and technologies around healthcare as well, which is one of our target areas for the next year and the years beyond. So it's super beneficial for us to be here.
One of the things I really love about Arise are the meeting room spaces. The meeting rooms are so comfortable, they're well lit, modern office spaces, and they're really good when you've got, for example, client meetings or staff training events, or when we're holding our own sort of mini events as well.
It's a great innovation space.
Arise is really an ideal place to grow a business.